This is how you just get a smooth, full blow dry. See, I still have it full here. And then tomorrow, because I'm going to bed, I'm going to be sleeping on it. It's even going to be fuller. And then I'll spray a little texture spray in here and make it even fuller. I can tease the back if I want to. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So today I was doing my hair straight and I forgot to turn the video on. But anyway, I'm going to just tell you what I did. So I put smoothing cream in there. I washed it first of all with Formula 18 luxury shampoo and Formula 18 mask. And then I put Davines smoothing serum. So my hair gets like, it's full of moisture, but I'm going to make it smooth and straight. Okay, this is my miracle brush. I did a rough blow dry first with this brush through the whole head. And I basically, it's called wrapping. You just take the blow dryer, wrap it, do it all forward. And this is good too. You take this brush and you blow dry it this way. Blow dry, blow dry. The best part about this brush is you get like that whole entire panel, right? Just, you can see how it just comes right through. Just blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. And then you do the other side, you do the top. And then I start to take my big brush for the top of my hair and my bangs. Now I'll tell you what, I would say 90% of the time I get constant, I want to say, like compliments on my bangs. I couldn't think for a second. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Compliments. They like my bangs and they'll come in with pictures and go, I want your bangs. But they'll have pictures of me from my YouTube channel. So it's just so funny. I think I have 230,000 followers now on my YouTube. So I'm super excited and stoked about that. And, you know, I know that sometimes you guys want me to do more movie star hair. So, you know, that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm in my new place. I'm super excited, super happy. So right now I'm just going to do this video to make your hair full, smooth, and straight. It's easy to make it like curly on the bottom. And sometimes it's not so easy to make it straight and smooth, right? But yet still full. The bigger the brush, the straighter the hair. If I wanted this even fuller, I would take a smaller brush like this size. And this size is, I think it's like 50. And this one is 42. So this one would be a lot less. Maybe this is a 35. It's not on it anymore, so that's why I can't see it. But it's a Olivia Garden, and this is what it says here. Okay, so that's if I want this even fuller. But I'm just gonna make this nice and smooth and straight. Pull it up. All right, so listen, this side is your hardest side because it's the lesser side of my hair. So I'm pulling this straight up. Okay, now I'm pulling it, and then I'm gonna have this blow dryer here, pulling it out, and I'm pulling it forward and out, just so you know. I'm not just pulling it back, I'm pulling it forward and really wrapping that hair around there, okay? And people always ask me why I do that, because it cools it off. That's a cool shot back there. It's cool hair. It's like cool air. But like a roller set, if you put hot rollers in your hair and then you see how it gets full right there, and then you let it set, it will be fuller. And it will set that hair. So that's why I do that. Yeah, I like that. And then I'm gonna take the next section. I'm gonna get that out of the way. Get it out of the way. With the next section. And I wanted to tell you too, you know, if I wanted to do this, like I could do it forward or I could do it feathered back, like Farrah Fawcett, right? But just today I'm just doing it forward for fun. But look how pretty all those little angles are. So you do the rough dry first with that other brush to make it really easy for you and make it like no time at all. Make your hair easy peasy. just say that all the time. My hair is so easy peasy to do. Your word is your wand. The things we say is what we create. So we want to say good things. We want our hair to be easy for us. We want to have the right tools to do the right thing. My favorite blow dryer in the world. This is called Baby Bliss Pro Rapid, made in Italy. It is so light. Like, I use this for the last 15 years at my salon. At my old salon, because it's so light that when I'm working all day long, it doesn't hurt my shoulder or my arm. And once I learned that this was that light and had so much power, that was it for me. And then everybody that uses my blow dryer buys it right after they use it because they love it so much. But I don't have any tie, like if I don't really can sell it. I should ask them like, hey, could you give us a discount if I sell your beautiful, amazing blow dryer that I love? But we just never got around to doing that. But maybe I will. But just so you know, I guess you get it online. All right. And then get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Go underneath. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Get those ends. Those ends. Get those ends. All right, look how nice that is. I love that. Yeah, look how pretty that looks. And I could do this side back, but I'm gonna do it the same way because I really want to just wear it like this for a change. Usually I feather this back like the Farrah Fawcett, but I'm not gonna because I want to show you something different. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Literally taking section by section by section and just smoothing it out. And I like to always heat up my hair and then cool it off. All right, so I'm just gonna do this piece and then I'm gonna grab the whole thing and then do the underneath. Those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Get those ends. Get those ends, get those ends. Alright, now let that sit for a second, let it cool off. I don't really want to use the cool shot for that. And then you just run your fingers through it. Yeah, cool, so different. Be kind. I love this shirt, right? Be kind. Be kind. I love my granddaughter. She says, Mimi, I kind, right? We have to be kind to one another. I just love that. I think it's so sweet and so precious. She says, I kind. Yeah, we should all be kind. So special and important. So anyway, this is how you just get a smooth, full blow dry. See, I still have it full here. And then tomorrow, because I'm going to bed, I'm going to be sleeping on it. It's even going to be fuller. And then I'll spray a little texture spray in here and make it even fuller. I can tease the back if I want to. Okay, and I'm going to use this hairspray. This is called the Perfect Hairspray by Davines. So I'm going to just pull this up. Get those ends, get those ends. Yeah. See, so if you have flat, straight hair, it doesn't really have a style. See, my hair is all layered. Even though it's straight, it has fullness to it, still embodied. And then you can see the back. Okay, I do have extensions in there. So, yeah, just to give it a little thickness, a little more thicker. but I like it. But that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this. God bless and have a wonderful day. And don't forget, love your hair.